For the canary release, we have created two different instances. One will be our production instance. So all our production code will be pushed to the production instance, and the second will be our staging instance. So as you can see here, uh, this is our production instance, and this is our staging instance. So currently the code that is being deployed, the code is deployed in our production instance, and that is being run in 139, which is our production instance. As you can see, our app is being deployed here. So next, what we did was we pushed the deployed code into our running instance. So now you can see that I am doing TCP dump on both the machines to show you the TCP dump that I am receiving. So currently you can see that I am receiving a lot of TCP in the production instance, but not in the staging instance. So in order to show you more, let's go ahead and deploy our app in the staging instance as well. Okay, so now both our production and staging instance, we have deployed the apps, and you can see that I am receiving TCP dump. I am receiving TCP messages from both the instance. Now, in order to implement load balancers, what we did was we used the AWS EC2 load balancer. We used the AWS CLI to configure our load balancer, and then after the load balancer name is Devops load, and then you can see here that I am creating instances. There are two instances, the production and the staging, that we have added to our Devops load. And so after we created the load balancer, if you see the description, this load balancer has a public facing IP. So if we use this IP to connect to our application, the load balancer manages how the traffic is being routed. Also, we have added health checks into it. So what the health check will do is it will continuously monitor the health of the instance. So now if we want to check the health, we can just go here. Yeah, so we can see that two of our instances are running and they are in service. So they are perfectly healthy, and both should be accepting traffic. So now what we do is we go to our main load balancer instance. So we use this public IP now. So now, as previously shown, that both the instances are running an app. So what I will do now is I will close both the apps, and you'll be able to see that I'm not receiving any. Let me clear this up. So I'm not receiving any messages now. Now when I run the app using my load balancer IP, you can see that my load IP, you can see that the app is being run, and now I am getting messages from both the IPs. So all the requests are being managed, are being sent, routed to both the instances, and the load balancer is checking on that. So this is how we have implemented the load balancer using for our canary releases. So what it does is, so basically as we spin up more instances, we add those instances we add those instances here using AWS CLI. What we do is we just add the instance into the load balancer, and automatically the load balancer starts routing traffic to all the instances that are being created.